The Social Security Administration just changed the rules. And if you were born in the 1940s, 1950s, or 1960s, some of these changes are hitting your benefits and your access to services right now in July 2026. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through all 6 major rule changes, what each one means for Metro Detroit retirees, and give you a 5-step action checklist you can start on this week. This isn't a video about whether you should retire. This is a video about what the government just changed, straight news, straight facts, action steps at the end. My name is Janine Davis. I'm a registered Social Security analyst, RSSA, and licensed retirement specialist right here in Metro Detroit. Social Security is Pillar 2 of the 6-pillar retirement framework I use with every client. When the SSA changes the rules, we pay attention. Let's get into it. Rule 1. Full retirement age officially hits 67. Rule change number 1. Full retirement age, what Social Security calls your FRA, has officially moved to 67 as of 2026. This is not a proposal. This is not coming soon. It happened. The 1983 Social Security Amendments started a gradual increase from age 65 to 67, and 2026 is the final step in that transition. If you were born in 1960 or later, your full retirement age is now 67. That's when you get 100% of your earned benefit. Claim earlier, it's permanently reduced. Wait longer, it grows 8% per year up to age 70. The reason this is a breaking rule change, not just general knowledge, is that 2026 is the year it locks in for the last wave of baby boomers. If you've been watching your FRA creep toward 67 for years, it's here. That has immediate implications for anyone who's been on the fence about when to file. Rule 2. Phone-based direct deposit changes eliminated. Rule change number 2, and this one surprises almost everyone I tell, you can no longer change your Social Security direct deposit information over the phone. That's gone. The SSA eliminated that option as part of the DOGE-driven service restructuring in 2025 and into 2026. So what does that mean practically? If you need to change the bank account your Social Security check goes into, whether you're switching banks, changing account numbers, anything, you now must do it one of 2 ways: online through the My Social Security portal at ssa.gov, or in person at a Social Security field office. Phone calls will not work for this anymore. Write that down. This catches people completely off guard when they need to make a change in a hurry. Rule 3. SSA staffing cuts, longer WA it's harder to reach anyone. Rule change 3 is more of a service reality change than a policy rule, but it affects you just as much. The Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, made significant staffing cuts to the Social Security Administration in 2025. Those cuts are still affecting operations in 2026. Field offices are understaffed. Phone lines are harder to reach. Wait times for appointments are longer. Disability determination is backlogged, averaging over 230 days for initial decisions. For Metro Detroit residents, you're relatively close to SSA field offices compared to rural Michigan, but even here, wait times have increased significantly. The practical takeaway: do not wait until you have a problem or an urgent change to figure out how to reach the SSA. Set up your online account now. Understand your options now. If you need to visit an office, schedule your appointment in advance, not the day you need to go. Rule 4. Redesign My Social Security portal launched. Rule change 4 is the good news update. The SSA launched a completely redesigned My Social Security online portal in July 2026. The interface is cleaner. There's a new and improved retirement benefit calculator, and account management features have been expanded. This portal is now the primary way the SSA expects you to manage your benefits. If you do not have a My Social Security account, create one today at ssa.gov. Here's what you can do through the portal: view your complete earnings record and check it for errors, use the retirement estimator to see your projected benefit at different claiming ages, change your direct deposit, which, as we just covered, you can no longer do by phone, request a replacement Social Security card, check your benefit verification letter, and update your contact information. Given that in-person and phone services have been cut, this portal is more important than ever. If you don't have an account, you're flying blind. Rule 5. 2026 COLA, earnings limits, and new benefit maximums. Rule Change 5 is the numbers update for 2026. The cost of living adjustment, the COLA, for 2026 was set at 2.8%. That means if you're already collecting Social Security, your benefit went up by 2.8% this year. The average monthly retirement benefit in 2026 is approximately $2,071. The maximum benefit for someone claiming at full retirement age is $4,152 per month. The earnings test also updated for 2026. If you are collecting Social Security before your full retirement age and you're still working, the SSA will withhold $1 in benefits for every $2 you earn above $24,480. If you reach your FRA this year, that threshold jumps to $65,160. These limits reset every year. Always check the current numbers before you make a decision about working while collecting. And one more, the Social Security tax wage base is now $184,500 for 2026. Rule 6, Payment Schedule Changes, July 2026. Rule Change 6 is a payment timing update for July 2026 specifically. Because Independence Day fell on a Saturday, the federal observance was on Friday, July 3rd, which pushed some early month payments to Thursday, July 2nd. Also, because August 1st falls on a Saturday, SSI recipients receive their August payment early, on July 31st. That means 2 SSI deposits arrived in July and no SSI payment will arrive in August. This is not an error. This is the official SSA calendar adjustment. If you're an SSI recipient or know someone who is, make sure they understand this so they're not confused when their August payment doesn't show up. So to recap the 6 July 2026 Social Security rule changes, FRA officially hit 67. Phone-based direct deposit changes are eliminated, use the portal or go in person. Staffing cuts mean longer waits, plan ahead. New My Social Security portal launched, create your account if you haven't. New COLA and earnings limits are in effect. And July payment schedule shifted due to federal holidays. Your 5-step action checklist. Here's your 5-step action checklist. Do these this week. Step 1, go to ssa.gov and create or log into your My Social Security account. If you don't have one, this is the single most important thing you can do after watching this video. It takes about 10 minutes and it's free. Step 2, once you're in, pull up your earnings record and review it. Errors in your earnings history directly reduce your benefit. If something looks wrong, you need to dispute it, and you'll want to do that before it becomes an urgent issue. Step 3, if you ever need to change your direct deposit bank account for Social Security, make a note that you must do it online or in person at an SSA office. The phone option is gone. Make sure anyone in your household who receives Social Security knows this too. Step 4, if you anticipate needing to visit a Social Security office for anything in the next 6 to 12 months, filing, changing information, asking questions, schedule your appointment now. With staffing cuts, walk-in availability is limited and appointment slots fill up. Step 5, talk to a retirement specialist who looks at Social Security as part of the complete picture. Social Security is pillar 2 of a well-built retirement plan, but it doesn't work in isolation. How these July rule changes affect you depends on your Medicare, your guaranteed income, your insurance coverage, your home equity, and your estate plan. All 6 pillars interact. That's what we do in my free 6-pillar retirement review. If you're in Metro Detroit and you want to understand what these July 2026 rule changes mean for your specific retirement situation, let's talk. Visit lifestylesafety.com or call us at 313-450-9543. The review is complimentary. No pressure. I'm Janine Davis, your Metro Detroit retirement specialist. Share this video with someone who needs to know what just changed. I'll see you in the next one.